Well, hello, good afternoon. Come on in. I'm Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Royalty. Thank you for coming to 148 Del Mesa in Carmel, Carmel's premier 55 plus living community. Come on in, we'll take you on a little tour of the property. This is my listing here out at 148 Del Mesa. Come into the bright and spacious living room, faces out on the deck with the wall windows, leads over here into the chef's kitchen, which is quite amazing, been updated. You've got quartz countertops, Bosch gas stove, 5-burner, nice big deep sink with a beautiful faucet there. Soft closed drawers, new cabinetry, nice windows, just fresh, perfect kitchen, nice refrigerator, little pantry here too where everything slides out. So come on back in here, I'll lead you back. So this is a B unit, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. It has an extra den, and we'll come back and take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms and swing back around into the living room. The B units are a little over 1,400 square feet. The number 1 bedroom is over here. This would be the guest bedroom. Current owners used it as an office. They're no longer living here at this time, but freshly painted, nice carpet, and plenty of space, plenty of closet space as well. Right off the hallway here is the guest bathroom that has also been updated. Quartz countertop with tile floors, nice new bathroom and step-in shower with a low step-in, which is nice as well. But fine details throughout this home. And then this leads back into here, which is the master bedroom. Once again, lots of natural light, plenty of space, clean lines. Master bathroom is right over here where you have your granite countertop with your sink. You have the shower and the tub in there. And then this, they added a little pass-through to the den that the B units have. And this is a little added feature. Not all units have this. They added this in just as convenient. So this is the den. They use this as a TV sitting area. It could be used as an office as well. But it's just off of the living room and gives you that sense of space. And it also goes out towards the deck. And if you come out here, you'll see the nice view of the Carmel Hills that you have. It's a Trek deck, so you don't have to worry about the maintenance. And then you have a beautiful view out here on a nice sunny day. We're now in October when the weather is the best. So if you'd like to schedule an appointment to see, give me a call. You'll see my phone number and email information will magically appear on the screen. But we work with buyers and sellers on the Monterey Peninsula, Pacific Grove, Pebble Beach, Monterey, Carmel, out through Salinas, Seaside Marina. Would be happy to work with you, and if you have any questions, reach out to us. But thanks for coming by.